All right, let's keep talking about polygons. We just learned how to identify a polygon as a two-dimensional closed figure made up of straight line segments with no gaps or overlaps. We've learned that, and now once we can understand what a polygon is, we can classify. So the classification of polygons, whoa, my pen is a little bit thick there. Let me go ahead and fix that afterwards. It's okay for us to leave that as being a little bit thick, but it's kind of weird, isn't it? Okay, that's going to be better. All right, so the classification of polygons according to the number of sides, we could set up a little chart here. And yes, you will need to memorize these terms at some point here. So we're going to go ahead and look at the number of sides, and then here is the name that we have for that type of polygon. So the fewest number of sides that a polygon can have is 3 sides. That's the only way we can't do it with less than 3 sides. And 3-sided polygons are known as triangles. And we already know how to classify those according to side length and angle measure. And that's fantastic. All right, so we can have a 4-sided polygon. And the name for all 4-sided polygons is quadrilateral. And there are different types of quadrilaterals. There are quadrilaterals that are squares. There are quadrilaterals that are parallelograms. We don't need to worry about these subterms. There are quadrilaterals that are trapezoids. Oh, and we have rectangles. All of these. Oh, and we actually have the rhombus. These are all types of quadrilaterals, but for now it's sufficient for you guys to recognize that a 4-sided polygon is just quadrilateral. So what about a 5-sided polygon? 5-sided polygons are pentagons. Okay, what about a 6-sided polygon? 6-sided polygon is a hexagon. And 7-sided polygon, that's a heptagon. 8-sided polygon, that's an octagon. 9-sided, nonagon. 10-sided, that's a decagon. And for now, that's enough. Well, I really love the 12-sided one. The 12-sided one is a dodecagon. I just like that name. Whoops, if I could spell it correctly, we'd be in good shape here. All right, a dodecagon is a 12-sided polygon. But take some time to learn those terms for classification of polygons according to the number of sides.